Yes, please, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention item number 6. My lord, here the pleadings are conflicted and matter may be listed for hearing, my lord.
Yeah, for the petitioner?
I am for the petition, my lord.
Is it? Is it so?
My lord.
Item 6.
After 3 weeks, my lord.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be taken up for hearing. Listed for hearing after 3 weeks.
Of late, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, I beg to mention item number 11
yes.
and 22 to
One
20.
by one.
Item number 11. 11,
first, yes.
11, and this connected matter, thereafter, my lord, 22 to 26.
11.
Connected. 11
These
and,
are all analogous matters.
my lord, analogous, my lord.
11, then
22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Up to 20.
22 to
My lord, sorry,
26.
my lord, not 20, 23 to 26.
23 to 26.
Yes, my lord. And 11, this is connect, my lord.
You are the counsel for the,
For respondent state council, I've taken consent from the petitioner, my lord. Here, I require to file the affidavit, my lord.
in all the cases?
Yes, all the cases, but parawise comment not yet received, my lord. That's why. This may be list.
You are,
Tabat Tagum standing council, my lord.
okay. Mr. You have noted the cases, ma'am? Mr. Tabatakum, learned SC education. 6 adjournment of the case for
4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks to file affidavit in opposition. To file the affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I would like to mention one unlisted matter.
What is that?
One unlisted matter for stay of tender process.
For
So I'm stay of tender process. I pray for list
Monday.
tomorrow.
Monday, not tomorrow. Monday, not tomorrow.
May I, my lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, my lordship.
Yes,
This matter will be listed after 2 weeks. I have
you are,
taken
ma'am, you are on behalf of
Respondent.
respondent number,
all
state
all-
respondent.
Yes, all the respondents.
MS so and so. Learned government advocate. 6 adjournment of the case for
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
And one more, my lordship,
Yes,
item
ma'am.
number 33.
Item,
33.
yes,
Same, my lordship, after 2 weeks.
yes, same order.
Mayor Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34.
Item,
34,
yes, ma'am.
I've taken the consent from the other party also.
You are
the
mentioning on
matter-
behalf of?
On behalf of petitioner.
Your good name, ma'am?
Dusurilong,
Dusu.
Dusurilong.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
MS
Kindly, the matter may be fixed on 2nd of September,
on
2nd September.
second. MS Dusu Rilung. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment of the case on 2/9/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay,
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19.
Yes,
Lordship, I would like to withdraw this case as per instruction of petitioner.
you are the counsel for the petitioner.
Yes.
Your good name, please.
Marnya ate.
M.
Ate.
M. Ete.
Ate.
M. Ete.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. M. Ete, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions to withdraw the petition. Stop. The writ petition is closed as withdrawn. Okay. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Malad?
Yes, please.
Malad, I beg to mention item number 13, man.
Item 1(3).
1(3), man.
Yes.
In here, Malad, the opposite party is yet to file their affidavit, Malad.
Let the opposite party mention. Okay, let it come as per release. Let the opposite party mention. Okay. If they are not present, we'll show their absence.
Malad, I have another mention, Malad. Item
Yeah.
number 18, Malad.
18. Okay, what is your prayer?
Malad, matter may be fixed for hearing, Malad, admission hearing.
You are the counsel for the
I am body petitioner, Malad.
petitioner.
Yes.
Whether pleadings are complete?
Readings are complete, Malad.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes.
Item 18, ma'am. Pleadings are complete.
Yes,
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed. And the matter can be listed for hearing in the usual course. Listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay.
Malad, one more item, Malad. Item number 28, Malad.
Ah,
In here, Malad, we have recently engaged to pursue the matter, Malad. So I may be
recently engaged on behalf of
petitioner, Malad.
your good name.
M. Doji, Malad.
Your name is not there.
No, Malad, we will file wakalat number, Malad.
So what happens to Nilam Taje, Likha Takam and El Tatam? What happens to them?
My lord, earlier in this case, I was the counsel for the petitioner.
You and your associates.
So I have already issued NOC, my lord.
Okay.
So I'm no more in this.
So you have withdrawn from the case.
Uh,
You have
I-
withdrawn from the case.
yes, my lord,
As a
including
counsel.
my two associate advocate.
Yes. Your good name, Nilam Taje.
Nilam Taje, yes.
Okay.
So our names may be struck out from the court.
Yes.
We will file wakalat number in the meantime.
Mr. Nilam Taji, learned counsel for the petitioner, and his associates, namely Likha, and his associates, namely Likha Takam and El Takam, have withdrawn from the case as the counsel for the petitioner. Stop. A request has therefore been made to strike off the name as the counsel for the petitioners. Mr. You are
M. Doji, Malad.
N. Doli.
M. Doji, Malad.
Mr. M. Doli.
Doji,
Submiss-
Malad. Doji.
M.
M. Doji, Malad.
Doli.
Doji.
Oh, Dorji. Mr. M. Doji. Learned counsel submits that he has been engaged by the petitioner to represent the case. In view of the submissions made, the name of Mr. Nilam Taji, Likhatakam and El Tatam shall be struck off as the learned counsel for the petitioners. The registry is directed to reflect the name of Mr. N.
M. Doji, my lord.
M. Dorji as the learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes,
I'm for respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
yes.
Extra copies, Your Lordship, I have not received yet, Your Lordship. So,
Kindly furnish
Yes, ma'am.
MS. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the extra copies of the writ petition to MS Sensor, the learned government advocate, listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, item number 13, my lord. The-
Item
13, my lord.
1-3.
Yes.
1-3. Yes, yes.
My lordship, we need some more time, my lordship, in this.
Okay, okay. MS Sensor, learned government advocate, is allowed
4 weeks time.
4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Obliged.
Lordship, item number 21, Lordship.
Yes,
I am for the petitioner.
item
Item number 21, Lordship.
21,
Yes, Lordship.
21,
Yes, Lordship. Actually, I had to file rejoinder, Lordship. That my,
21.
yes, Lordship.
What is your prayer?
Lordship, I am for this 3 weeks, Lordship. For 3 weeks, Lordship.
4,
3 weeks, Lordship.
4?
Lordship, I had to file a rejoinder.
Okay, okay. Mr. Sensor, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 3 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 22.
Item
Item number 22.
22.
Yeah, and conducting council is out of station due.
Who is the conducting counsel?
Domar Kamduk.
Standing Council, Land Department, my lord, Land Management.
The Kamduk.
Yes, the
Kamduk,
Kamduk.
my lord.
So he is the standing counsel land management?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
So my lord, matter may be listed up after 4 weeks.
Is it?
My lord, I'm petitioner, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, submits that Mr. D. Kamduk, the learned standing counsel, land management is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 4 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
And my lord, there's interim order, my lord. Interim order may be passed.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Deeply obliged. My lord, in this case, as per earlier order, my lord, I have obtained instruction.
Yes.
My lord, the release order has been revoked, my lord. It was revoked on 13 August, my lord. And the record also with me, my lord, detailed records apart from releasing order, my lord.
Have you received?
Yes,
Yes.
my lord.
So the interim order is complied.
Yes, lord. And original record also with me.
You file your
related-
affidavit?
My lord,
You file your affidavit?
my lord.
You file your affidavit. Mr., your good name?
My lord, Tabat Tagum.
Tabatagum. I'm sorry, I'm
My
like
lord, sir.
forgetful.
Yes.
Your face is very familiar, but
My lord.
Mr. Tabatagum. Your standing council?
Yes, madam. Education Department.
The London Standing Council Education Department has placed the copy of the order dated 13/8/2024 issued by the principal, Government Higher Secondary School, Hayo Liang Anju District, by which the release order dated 7/8/2024 issued to the petitioner has been revoked. Okay. Stop. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council, Education Department is allowed 3 weeks' time
My lord.
to file affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
Deeply.
A copy of, the revocation order dated 13 August 2024 shall be placed on record.
Deeply obliged.
Like your lordship.
Here's what is your case?
May I please, my lord? My lord, here the petitioner challenge notification.
Where's the impugn, where is the impugn order or notification or whatever?
My lord, notification is at page 25. Annexure 1, page number 25. And it is more visible in typed copy from 27 onwards, my lord.
What are you challenging in this notification?
My lord,
What are you challenging in this notification?
this notification I have challenged, my lord.
What are you challenging? Which
Here, my
provision?
lord, here in the notification issued by the respondent number 2, the Commissioner PWD, my lord, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. In this notification, my lord, may I take to page number 26, my lord, 25 onwards also, my lord. They have classified into 6 categories.
You're challenging the schedule.
My lord. Because here what happened, my lord, from serial number 1, my lord, up to rupees 50 lakhs, all registered contractors in class 4 and class 5 and class 4 categories, domicile within the territorial jurisdiction of community block. Below rupees 50 lakhs, the only contractors who is registered in class 4 and class 5, they can only participate within the community block, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, serial number 2, above rupees 50 lakhs and after rupees 1 crore, all registered contractors in class 4 and class 3 categories, domiciles with the territorial jurisdiction of assembly constituency. My lord, I am from a same constituency, assembly constituency, and I am a domicile of the block, community block, my lord. But I cannot.
Are you challenging this notification dated 13/8/2015?
Yes, my lord. Earlier, I have filed a PIL in this challenging this notification, but that was withdrawn, my lord, due to some technical error, and liberty was granted, my lord. So, my lord, I am also a registered class 3 contractor. So, my capacity has been
By
confirmed.
this notification, the Arunachal Pradesh district-based entrepreneurs and professionals incentives, development and promotional rules have been framed.
Yes, my lord.
You are challenging the rules.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, where is the power of this court?
My lord, this is the act passed by the government of
That's
Arunachal
why
Pradesh. My lord.
exactly. You cannot challenge the act, you cannot challenge the rules before a single judge. Yes, you withdraw or I dismiss.
My lord,
You
I will
file
get,
before the appropriate bench.
my lord, I will get instruction from my client. So matter may after some time, my lord. Till then, I will obtain instruction from my client.
You are the counsel who is supposed to advise your client. Not the client advising you on low points.
All right, my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw with the
Yes,
liberty.
exactly. Your friend has correctly given you the advice. See, we are seeing so many good and efficient lawyers who are well conversant with laws in Arunachal. That
My-
is my observation. So at least have some consultation if you have any doubt.
Yes, my lord. With the liberty, my lord.
Yes, yes. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to approach the appropriate court. Okay, okay.
My lord, instead of withdraw, matter may be placed before the division bench.
No. You have actually, if that should be the case, then you will have to change all your course title, everything.
All right, my lord.
This court, I think.
All right, my lord.
Okay.
May I please, madam?
Yes,
Here the petitioner is Assam Rifle. Yes, we dismiss your dismissal order is page number 4040.
40.
40. Reference number 1101A/109, that's 2023/94/8, dated 7. This is the order which I have received recent.
Dismissed, dismissed from service. Okay, you are dismissed. You are out of service. We issue notice. Heard, Mr. So-and-so?
No, my lord, here we are challenging this order.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
He is no longer in this job.
Okay.
That is.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so? Learned counsel for the petition.
Copy, Delaney.
By filing this petition, the petitioner is impugning the order dated 7/8/2023 issued by the Deputy Inspector General, Assam Rifles, Headquarters, 22 sectors, Assam Rifle, care of 99 APO, dismissing the petitioner from service with effect from 28 June 2023. Stop. Issue notice
My
to
lord.
the respondents.
Three extra copy.
Returnable after 4 weeks.
Points.
Sir, Kato, you are accepting notice on behalf of 1, 2, and 3,
My lord, all respondents, my lord.
not 4. 4 is by name.
Four is also, my lord, Major Ejuddin, my lord.
Oh, so you will accept.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. M. Kato, the learned DSJ accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
My lord.
Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned DSGI. When?
After 4 weeks, that's enough.
No. When can you serve the copies?
Maybe give me 1 week because it will take some time for me.
Within a period of
I'll able to serve.
7 days from today. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
My lord, this is a totally covered case.
covered case, okay, but we issue notice for the time being.
Lordship, I'm sure the government also will not object because
At
We-
least let us follow the procedure. At least let us
Lordship,
issue notice.
then a short date may be given. Because I don't think they'll be filing any affidavit here.
Where are the impugn orders? Let us see.
Impugn order is at page
Let us see.
22,
Page
22,
22, page 22,
yes. Then page 48 starts at page 48,
page,
48.
so page 48 is, what is page 48?
No, so page 48 is a list of rejected persons in which
All right,
our names are here.
yes.
And then the next impugn order is at page 104.
104.
Yes, starting at page 104
Just wait,
till 106.
104, just wait.
Yes.
104.
By this order, our claims for compensation were rejected.
Properties listed in list number 2.
Yes,
Okay. Oh, this is 104.
yes.
Page 104.
The list number 2 starts at page 48, which I have shown
Yes,
earlier.
and the others?
Lordship.
Any other
That
impugn
is,
orders?
those are the impugn orders, Lordship.
This too?
3, Lordship. One is page 22, which I have mentioned earlier.
Those are the list.
No, page 22.
That is the list.
No, page 22 is an order, 29 March 2021, where the,
22,
Yes.
this is the notice,
no,
notice,
Lordship, it is a,
page 22.
yes.
Notice.
It is a public notice,
Ah,
saying that properties which were built after 31st, although no specific
so
date is
page
mentioned,
22, page
48 onwards,
37.
and then page 10.
Page,
Lordship, may I,
yes, wait, page, what is page 43? From your index. What is page 43? You are saying this is impugned.
page 43, Lordship?
Yes. These are the main orders,
Yes.
because the one which you are mentioning is only the list.
Page 43 is also, sorry, Lordship.
Yes, well, I
Page
think
43
3 orders.
Yes, this is also an impugn order. They have passed various orders here.
But MS Swinso, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop, new para. For the purpose of construction of new alignment, widening / improvement of the existing road to 2-lane NH standard within bracket NHDL close bracket Kaiying dash Tato Road from Penny Village KM 45.000 to Tato KM 78.370. Total length within bracket, total length 33.37 km. The Deputy Commissioner Shiomi District issued the notification dated 24/5/2022 under Section 10 of Balipara / Tirap / Sadia, Frontier Track Jumland Regulation 1947 for acquisition of land. Stop. The petitioners are the owners of the land and other assets in the area. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that though their land and crops / trees have been included for payment of compensation, their houses and other assets were left out from the purview of the compensation, correct? The petitioner has accordingly filed the present writ petition. Impugning the public notice dated 29/3/2021 issued by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Shiomi District, Tato. What is Tato?
Tato is the headquarter.
Tato. Okay, Tato. Stating therein that the structure is built after 31st January, which are built within the right of way. Shall not be taken up for consideration while framing the estimate for land compensation. The order dated 27/10/2022 issued by the Deputy Commissioner Shiomi District, Tato, stating therein that no. You should use it, rejecting, stating therein, you please cancel that. Rejecting the properties of list number 2
Yes.
and making the properties in list number 1 eligible for payment of compensation. And the order dated
9 January
104, correct?
Yes.
And the order dated
9 January 22.
yes.
Oh, sorry, 9 December 22.
And the order dated
Similar order.
9/12/2022, issued by the Deputy Commissioner Shiyomi District, Tato. Directing all the stakeholders
To remove the structures.
directing all the stakeholders of the properties who have been displayed in the notice board of the Deputy Commissioner Office, Tato, to remove their structures
And list number 2.
to remove their structures in list number 2 within 1 month from the date of issue of this order, filling which it has been ordered that the structures will be removed through eviction without any further notice. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks.
Lordship, can it be a shorter date? Because they are
Yes,
now trying
ma'am.
to.
She is praying for a shorter date, saying that it's a covered case.
Lordship, 3 weeks.
Okay. Issue notice to the respondents.
Lordship, can it be 2 weeks, please?
At least she is conceding that.
Because I'm sure they'll not be filing any affidavit. This is a totally covered case. I have annexed the High Court order also.
See, when all this land matter cases, this involves financial implications.
Lordship,
Therefore, I think you should also give sufficient time to the government so that at least the government can make some arrangements to at least pay the compensation if you are eligible.
we are only 6 in numbers, Lordship. Other people more than
Issue
300.
notice to the respondents, returnable after 3 weeks. MS. You are accepting notice on behalf of all the respondents?
No, Lordship, for 1 and 4.
MS. So and so, learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 4,
Yes,
correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
Today, Lordship.
in the course of the day. Insofar as the respondent number 2, 3, 5, and 6 are concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps.
Lordship, I'll be furnishing the copy because this ADSG is here, Lordship.
Shall-
ASG.
Shall furnish. That means two,
To all other respondents, I'll be furnishing copies because 3 is standing counsel. Then 5 and 6 is.
insofar as the respondent number 2, 3, 5, and 6 are concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said shall take steps for service of notice to the learned standing council, land management,
Yes,
and the DSGI for the respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6 in the course of the day.
Yes, Lordship.
In the course of the day. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes.
May I plead, Your Lordship?
Yes. What is this?
Well, this matter relates to payment of salaries to the members of district commission.
Who are they? Who are the petitioners?
They are the members of the district
Just wait, members
of the district commission, my lord.
of the
District commission, basically
district
commission.
commission. What commission?
It used to be called as, now it is called a commission, although earlier it was used to be called as a consumer members.
So it is District Consumer Commission.
Commission
Or,
members,
am I right?
Yes,
District
yes.
Consumer Commission.
commission,
District members of the,
consumer commission members. There was
Yes,
a-
and where is the impugn order or what is your prayer?
no, in fact, we are seeking writ of mandamus. In fact,
You are seeking for?
writ of mandamus for the payment of salary as per the Consumer Protection Model Rules 2000.
Where is that?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that?
That is, my lord, may I see page 54?
Page,
54, my lord.
page 54.
Oh, yes. Fifty-four, my lord, section 3, my lord, salaries, allowances payable to the president and member of district commission. 1, the president shall be entitled to the salary and allowances as
You are more particularly on 3-2.
yes,
3-2.
3-2, yes, 3-2. A member shall receive a pay equal to the pay at the minimum of the scale of pay of a deputy secretary of the state of government, and other allowances are admissible
So
to each other.
let us see your prayer. Is that your
Yes,
repeated
my lord.
prayer?
My prayer is that the petitioner should be paid salary since they joined the commission member,
Okay,
and then the act has to be implemented, my lord. The rules has to be implemented, my lord.
Heard, Mr. Esmo. The learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioners are appointed and are serving as the member of the District Consumer Commission. By filing the present writ petition, the petitioners are seeking for a direction to the state respondents to pay them the salaries and allowances as prescribed by the Consumer Protection within bracket salary allowances and conditions of service of president and members of the state commission and district commission, close bracket, model rules 2020, more particularly rule 3-2 of the state rules with effect from the date of their appointment. Issue notice to the respondents. Returnable. After 4 weeks. You are appearing, ma'am?
Yes, madam.
All the respondents,
Yes, madam.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel, learned government advocate, appears for all the respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
Within 3 days.
a period of 3 days from today. Okay.
Obligation.
Yes, ma'am, none appears for the reply affidavit not filed. None appears for the petitioner. Listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, this is a petitioner filed a petition wherein his her date of birth was reflected as 29/6/1994 in the class 10 certificate. Actually, it was 29/6/2000. In the earlier hearing on the prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent to produce the original documents of the first certificate, birth certificate. So
Yes, ma'am, have you filed your affidavit?
No, we have not filed, but Lordship, what happened, he has said in the higher secondary examination, his date of birth was correctly reflected. So I told him to produce let me go through the higher secondary certificate.
yes, your lordship, I have
If it is corrected by the CBSE in the higher secondary certificate, Lordship, then Lordship may direct the CBSE authority to consider the case of the petition.
Pardon?
If his higher secondary certificate, Lordship, the date of birth is corrected by the CBSE authority, but in the matric, Lordship, his date of birth was wrongly shown. So if the higher secondary examination, the CBSE has corrected the date of birth, then CBSE has no objection. Lordship can direct the authority to consider the case of the petitioner to correct the date of birth.
It has been corrected,
So
whether it has been corrected or not.
today, your lordship, I was supposed to produce the original certificate or pass certificate of class 10, 12 birth certificate as per the prayer made by the learned counsel for the respondent. So I have produced those original documents.
Living certificate.
This is the birth certificate.
Oh, higher secondary certificate.
I shouldn't rely.
Higher secondary certificate.
You furnish a photocopy of all the original certificates
I
to.
annex in the petition, I have served the copy of.
Yes, then ma'am, you are supposed to file your affidavit.
Higher secondary certificate, he has not. Oh, yes.
This is the house.
Whether you have annexed that in your petition.
Yes, your lordship, I have annexed all of it.
No, ma'am,
Only the learned
your,
counsel, late grade.
It was not, that's why.
It is annexed, he says.
No.
Higher secondary was not annexed. The
Higher
class-
secondary was not
class 10,
annexed.
Class 10 was annexed, where it was.
So you give you give her a photocopy,
Yes, your.
let her take instructions. What does the higher secondary says? Whether your correct date of birth is
In
recorded?
higher secondary, your lordship, it is corrected.
Correct,
As per
correct.
the birth certificate, but only in the class 10 certificate, they have inadvertently made a mistake. Instead of 29/6/2000 date of birth, they have reflected as 29/6/1990.
Who has to correct that class 10 certificate?
It was issued by the CBSE also.
CBSE.
Yes, here it is corrected.
Only date of birth. Date of birth is not mentioned.
No.
This is a problem. The higher secondary certificate, date of birth is not mentioned. Whether it is corrected by the CBSE, it's not known.
This is the birth certificate.
The birth certificate is correct. Original. But he mentioned before this honorable court date, the higher secondary certificate was, in the higher secondary certificates, his date of birth was correctly recorded. But it is not, the date of birth is not reflected.
Higher secondary certificate,
Yes,
higher secondary
certificate by the
certificate,
CBS.
whether date of birth is mentioned.
Date of birth.
Only, here it is the, your lordship, it is the pass certificate.
Pass certificate.
Date of birth is mentioned in class 10, your lordship. Class
Class
10,
10 is wrongly reflected, mentioned. Birth certificate, date of birth is not mentioned. That's a problem.
date of birth is class 10.
As per the rule, Lordship, change, no change in the date of birth once recorded in the board examination shall not be made, Lordship. That's why we have some problem. The only clarity.
Why don't you file your affidavit so that this court understands the entire gamut of the case? Why don't you file your affidavit? This court has also directed you to produce the instructions.
I'll file the affidavit then.
In the
And
meantime,
Reddy was
So-
filed
in the
it.
meantime, your lordship, I'll
He will file
collect the
additional
pass
affidavit.
certificate where in
Date
in
of
the
birth.
class 12 certificate where there is reflected the date of birth. This is a certificate
file
given by the
additional-
produce.
You were actually directed by the order dated 13/6 to produce all the relevant documents.
Yes,
That
I
also includes
produced-
that.
I produce all the degree certificate, but only
Let him
class
file
10
an additional
class 10 certificate furnished by the petitioner. Here it is
Okay,
not reflected the date. of birth.
we give you that opportunity. You file affidavit. You file affidavit, produce, like enclosing all those documents.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Relevant documents of what?
Relevant documents of as per their by their prayer, I'll produce in the next hearing.
High
that
secondary
High
exam.
secondary examination pass certificate where date of birth is being reflected. We have the pass certificate. There is no date of birth is reflected, your lordship.
Mr.
Produce the mark sheet of the class 12 certificate.
What are you supposed to produce? Next date.
Next date, class 12 certificate.
Class 12 certificate.
Yes. Only class 12
That's good.
Class 12.
Class 12 passing certificate or
Mark sheet along with passing certificate, mark sheet. Where there is reflected of the date of birth.
Because in this writ petition, he has annexed the pass certificate of class 10 examination. But regarding birth certificate, we have no objection, lordship.
this is relating to class 12? Class 12.
Class, they are asking the class 12 to verify the class 12 certificate, your lordship.
It
But
is not what they are asking, it is what will be relevant for you.
For me, your lordship, relevant is birth certificate, your lordship. Because date of birth certificate today we have produced, your lordship. But
Your birth certificate of
birth-
class,
birth certificate.
of class,
No, birth certificate, original.
of which class?
Original birth certificate, your lordship.
By-
Original birth
Birth
certificate.
certificate. Where it is 29/6/2000, your lordship.
Should by-
And that is not reflected in any of your academic documents.
In petition, we have not reflected your lordship birth certificate.
What about class 10?
Class 10, there is a mistake in the class 10 where it should be 29/6/2000. Instead of that, your lordship, it is reflected as 29/6/1994. 6 years back. The actual date of birth was,
Have you enclosed that in your petition?
yes, your lordship, I have annexed those.
Okay,
Page 17.
okay.
Page 17 in the,
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner shall on the next date file an affidavit annexing the mark sheet and the passing certificate of class 12 examination conducted by the CBSE, conducted by the Central Board of Secondary Education. Okay, only thereafter, if you want to file affidavit, let
yes,
us,
yes.
okay, list it. When can you produce?
After 3 weeks, I'll produce all the relevant documents. your
List it. No. So, yeah. The mark sheet, passing certificate and the other relevant documents, okay, and the other connected educational documents. Okay. Issued by so-and-so, okay. Listed after 3 weeks.
what's your date may be given, I have to come from Guwahati.
On, listed after 3 weeks on,
3 weeks, lordship, September 20, 20. 20.
25, 9/20/24.
Oblast.
Yes.
Public.
Yes.
Lordship, we need some more time to file affidavit, Your Lordship.
Ma'am, how much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
MS so learned government advocate. He is allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
My lordship, we need some more time, my lordship, to file
Pardon?
affidavit.
Have you filed?
No, my lordship, we need some more time. I'm for respondent 1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Yes.
What about the 1 and 3? What about the others? What about the others? Whether others are represented, whether notice has been issued?
Yes, my lordship.
Notice issued? Whether notice has been issued?
Yes, all
Yes, my
the,
lordship.
state respondent is yes to file affidavit. I'm for the petitioner.
MS, so and so. Learned government advocate. For the respondent number 1 and 3. 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. There is no representation on behalf of respondent number 2, 4, and 5.
Also, if there's an interim order may be
Listed
continued.
after 4 weeks. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the, where is that interim order?
There's no interim order, my lordship.
There is no interim order.
I apologize.
This is compensation matter, so there's no interim order.
Sorry.
Listed after 4 weeks.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You have not taken steps upon respondent number 6
No, we have done it, Your Lordship.
as per 29/8/2024. Office note.
No, we have service notice to respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
When?
Uh,
As per office note dated 29/8/2024. Steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6 not yet taken. Take steps.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, I appearing on behalf of private respondent number 5 and 6.
Okay, you are 5 and 6.
On behalf of HR Ovin. And Lordship, we are going to take affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship may give some time for filing affidavit in opposition.
What about government?
Yes, I'm preparing for 1, 3 and 4.
1, 3 and 4.
We filed our affidavit.
You have filed your affidavit?
Yes.
1, 3 and 4, 1, 3, so 2, 2, 4. You're for 5 and 6?
5 and 6, yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you're for
1, 3 and 4.
1, 3 and 4, okay. None for the land management?
They have that standing council.
Yes. Have you filed your affidavit? Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes.
Okay. So you are for 5 and 6,
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Senso? Learned counsel? For the respondent number, appears for the respondent number 5 and 6. And 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Stop. None appears for the respondent number 2.
Deeply obliged. Well, here I have taken steps upon the private respondent 3. Earlier also, I have taken steps upon the private respondent 3 through his learned friend.
Whether service has been affected?
Effect through WhatsApp and Gmail, through email. First, there is another additional affidavit that I have filed earlier. Now, subsequently, this honorable court has directed me to take fresh steps from it.
Huh.
So by that, now my new additional affidavit, I have
Let us see the date of your affidavit. When did you file your affidavit?
August.
Eighteen, 16/8.
Yes, my lord.
Who is respondent number 3?
Respondent number 3 is the RTA applicant, my lord.
Is he a necessary party?
He is the applicant, yes.
He is the applicant.
Yes, RTA applicant. I am the PIO.
Oh, this application.
Penalty has been imposed upon me, my lord, because of which I filed this writ petition.
You are challenging the penalty imposed on you.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Who is for the other respondents?
Mr. R. Soikia, my lord, standing counsel for respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2.
Yes, APIC, Arunachal Pradesh Information.
And he is a lawyer, respondent number 3.
Yes, my lord.
Yudik Lombi.
Yes, my lord, I have taken steps through, my lord, register post, my lord. This register post came to our bar, my lord. And it was left unattended, my lord. Because this person, my lord, he is not a practicing advocate, my lord, but he, in his RTA application, my lord, may I please kindly see RTA application, my lord. Page 31, my lord.
Now, what happens if we take up this case without him?
Well, actually, by order dated by the first order, my lord, the notice upon the respondent was deemed served, my lord.
Notice upon respondent number
3, my lord.
3.
Yes, my lord. 8/4/2024, my lord. May I kindly see 8/4/2024. 8/4/2024, my lord.
Yes, so notice is completed.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, again on 28/5, my lord, this honorable court desired, my lord, I should take further steps, my lord, as a last chance, my lord. So I took, by way of, my lord, WhatsApp mode and, my lord, email it. So I have WhatsApp him, my lord, and email him.
So 1 and 2, they are basically pro forma.
One
One
and
and
two,
two.
1 and 2 are the main respondent. ma'am.
One
Why?
and
Because
two.
the penalty has been imposed by the Information Commissioner. ma'am.
Okay. So who is for 1 and 2?
R. Soikia, ma'am, Standing Council.
So do we say that notice upon respondent number 3 is completed?
Yes, my lord. Once again, my lord, please.
Heard Mr. B. Picha, learned counsel for the petition. There's two mobile numbers of the petitioner of the respondent number 3,
3. Yes, my lord.
as well as the email address of the respondent number 3.
Yes, my lord. In the RTA application, my lord.
Heard Mr. B.
which has-
Picha, learned counsel for the petitioner. By the order dated 8/4/2024, passed by this court. It was observed that the service of notice upon respondent number 3 is completed. Thereafter, by the order dated 28/5/2024. This court had desired the petitioner to take fresh steps for service of notice on respondent number 3 through the WhatsApp mode and the email address of the respondent number 3. And to file affidavit to that effect. The petitioner has taken steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3 as ordered by this court on 28/5/2024. And has filed the affidavit dated 18/8 or 16/8 affidavit.
16/8, my lord.
And has filed the affidavit, yes, 16/8/2024. Stating service of notice upon the respondent number 3. Stop. The notice upon respondent number 3 is therefore deemed complete. None appears for the respondent number 1 and 2. Again,
After 3 weeks, my lord,
listed again after 3 weeks.
giving them opportunity to file any affidavit, my lord.
Yes, for enabling the respondent number 1 and 2 to file their respective affidavits. Okay.
Interim order may be continued.
Yes,
Interim order may be continued.
the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
My lord, may it be until further order because.
Pardon?
Until further order. Interim order may be continued
Okay,
until
interim
further.
order passed earlier shall continue till further orders of this court.
My lord, much obliged.
Yes.
Obliged.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Well, I'm preparing for respondent one, madam. For respondent number, other respondent, madam, there is standing council, madam. For Department of Animal Husbandry,
You're, ma'am, you're for
one, madam.
one.
Only Chief Secretary, madam.
You're for one,
One, madam.
only one.
Yes, madam. For
And
two,
this for
two, madam, there is standing council, madam.
two and three
Three is, yes, madam.
DPO.
Three is by name, madam.
districts. Oh, three, what, have you taken service upon respondent number three?
No, your lordship, we need some more
Why,
time
why?
because of some issues, your lordship.
Don't have any issues. If not, your interim order will go. Take steps.
Yes, your lordship.
You will be filing affidavit, ma'am.
No, madam.
Who is for, have you served notice upon respondent number two, whether standing council? Let us see.
Yes, madam. Earlier, madam, standing council appeared, madam.
Standing council,
Appeared,
K,
madam.
K to B,
L per me, madam.
L per me.
Yes, madam. He appeared on 13/2/24, madam.
13 to,
13/2 February 2024, madam.
okay, okay, okay.
For respond number three also, madam, the standing council appeared, madam.
The same,
Yes, madam.
standing council,
Yes, madam. 2 and 3, madam.
two and three.
Yes.
Two and three. So I think for service of notice upon respondent number two is not required.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
2 and 3 is not required. Yes, madam.
I heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS so-and-so, learned government advocate, appears for the state respondent number one. None appears for the respondent number two and three. Since Mr. L. Permi, the Learned Standing Council for AHV and DD has accepted notice on behalf of both the respondent number two and three. It may not be necessary to issue. It may not be necessary to issue notice upon the respondent number three. Listed after 4 weeks. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
DPO line.
Item?
Item number 29, madam, petitioner has not served any extra copies, madam, till date.
Pardon?
Petitioner has not served any extra copies, madam.
Extra copies.
Yes, madam. I'm appearing for respondent 1 to 4, madam.
One and ma'am,
1 to 4, madam. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 to 4.
Yes,
And you? 4, 5. Eat pizza. Have you received?
Yes, sir.
Copies? Yes, Learned Counsel, you serve copies? You have not served copies? Okay. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the to MS so-and-so, the learned government advocate, when?
By tomorrow.
Within a period of 3 days from today. Mr. Deepicha appears for the respondent number 5. Okay. Listed after 4 weeks.
My lord, in this case, step has already taken to all the respondent, including the private respondent. My lord, I am appearing for the respondent number 6.
Okay.
Today I am filing my wakalat number.
Okay.
My lords, I am for the respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Yes.
Okay. Have you filed your affidavit, ma'am?
No, not yet.
No.
Yes. Further time may be given for the affidavit.
My lord, at least 4 weeks then.
Yes. You are 1 to 4, ma'am. 1 to 5.
No, 1 to 5.
And you are 6. You're a standing counsel?
Yes.
Standing counsel for the bank?
Yes, lords.
MS so the learned standing counsel for the State Bank of India. And Mr. So-and-so Omodi. Learned counsel for the respondent number 6. Our board allowed 4 weeks' time to file their respective affidavit, listed accordingly.
And my lord, in the meantime, interim order passed earlier be continued. My
The
lord.
interim order
Further
passed earlier shall continue till the next return.
My lord, till further order.
Pardon?
Interim order passed earlier be continued, my lord, till further order. Till the filing of it.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till further orders of this court. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
May I please, my lord, item number.
My lord, here in this case, let us take up first item 32, because my lord, item 31 spec is depend upon the outcome of item number 32.
What is this reply affidavit not yet filed?
In respect of my lord, item 31, it's not required, my lord.
What is the matter? If it takes long, maybe this court is the.
It will not take long, my lord.
What is the matter?
Matter in my case, my lord, 32 is 2015's matter, my lord.
2015?
15 matter. And it need not have to my.
No, what is the matter? What is the subject matter? I'm not asking.
Subject matter is that, my lord, they have challenged the land LPC cancellation order.
Who has challenged?
I'm the petitioner, my lord.
That is in one case and the other case?
Other case, my lord, item number 32 will follow. Item number 32, result of the item number 32 will bearing on the item number 31, my lord. So item number 32 may be taken up first, my lord.
It will not take much time, my lord. 10 to 15 minutes, my lord.
Item 32, my lord, is challenging the provisional land allotment issued to me.
Yes.
I'm the private respondent, item 32. He doesn't have even locus to challenge that. I will substantiate it.
10 to 15 minutes, my lord.
Item
Item 32. On maintainability, we have raised the issue, my lord.
No, this court will not hear only on maintainability. We hear on issues, all on issues. And we hear the maintainability also, of course, but not piecemeal, not piecemeal. Let us take up all the issues if we take up.
It will not take much time, my lord.
With your risk. After hearing for some time, if this court feels that, okay.
My lord.
Yes, ma'am. And my lord, item number 32.
32 is subject to 31.
31 is subject to 32.
31 is subject to 32.
31 is subject to 32.
Yes.
So 32 is WPC. 456.
2015, my lord.
My lord, it's simple. I have been not given the opportunity of being heard, my lord. Before canceling my then possession certificate, my lord.
Yes. I think it may not be, it cannot be finished within a short time.
Then, my lord, after we
Yes, Friday, it's a very bad day.
My lord, in this case. Because 32 is my lord 2015 case, and we have raised the issue on maintainability. If your lordship peruse the petition itself, lordship,
If it is of this, if the case is of 2015,
my lord,
why do you seek date on Fridays?
my lord, in
We
this
will
case,
list it, if this so urgent, we'll list it Monday.
because my lord, petition, my lord, perusal,
Well, going through all the records of petition, I think this court may not finish it today.
my lord, basically our
So-
objection is, my lord,
No, your objection, your submission may be simple. But this court, once this court takes up the hearing, this court has to go through each and every petition, the affidavit file.
of course, my
So
lord.
that we understand the case. You cannot just be on the basis of the verbal submission made by the parties. So I think this is not a good day.
certainly time will take, my
We'll
lord.
list it on Monday.
Monday, my lord, I have a difficulty.
Yes. So give a consensus date.
After weeks,
After 10.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, they're suggesting 10.
10, fine,
10.
10, Tuesday.
They're suggested by the parties listed on 10/9/2024.
Hello, lordship.
Yes.